Hey there, I just wanted to take a minute to do a quick tutorial using the Mary Kay Mineral Powder Foundation. I'm using beige 0.5. This is probably one of my favorite all over full coverage powder foundations. Let me find my brush here. Okay, I'm just going to use the under eye corrector because I do feel like I have dark circles, and that's one of my main things that I'm always trying to get rid of, or disguise, I should say, is the under eye portion of the face. So all I do is take the under eye corrector, fill in the under eye, I use a damp beauty blender sponge to tap it in and blend it out. And I'm always pulling out, like, I'm not pulling because you don't want to pull on your face, but I'm always blending out and up because you want to give your face that lifted look. And then I just take, I don't even know what I just did with it. Okay, here it is. I'm using the Mary Kay powder foundation brush, and I take my foundation. I'm going to get some product in the lid here. It's got really good coverage. I really like it a lot. Like I said, for a powder foundation, the coverage on it's really good. I'm just going to throw on some of the Mary Kay mascara so you can see how quick you could do an everyday look with just a couple products and have good coverage, and it doesn't look like you've got like a full face of makeup. This is like an all natural look. And then if you wanted to do some quick eyeshadow, you could get like a color or two and really make it look even more. I got a little much under that eye. That's why I keep handy dandy Q-tips nearby. And just like that, I'm all set. So as you can see, it gives good coverage. My face was kind of red because I was wiping some other makeup off, but it covered it pretty well. And then you could always add like a quick lipstick. Let me find one. Okay, we'll use, no, I don't use that one. Okay, we will use Crushed Berry. It's a pretty color. So, like I said, so quick, so easy. All Mary Kay products. I don't even have any eyeshadow on or anything. And then you could add a little, like highlight, or not highlighter, but contouring if you wanted to your face. I'll do that real quick just to show you. Like I said, this is so buildable. You can do as much, as little as you want to. See, just like that. So buildable, so pretty. I will leave all the products I use below, even the lipsticks and everything. So, because if you like this look, you can get it. All of it will be down below. I'll leave the link to shop, and if you're interested in getting these products 50% off and then potentially starting your own business and advertising it to all 50 states using digital marketing, when you join my team, you get a free digital marketing course. If you don't know what digital marketing is, follow the link to my website, and there's a video on there that kind of talks more in depth about what it is and how you can use it for your business. But I'm glad you watched this, and I hope I get to speak with you soon.